Thanks, Chris. Now, with one semi-final spot already in the bag, Montego Bay United could move within 2 points of securing the other when they play away to Mount Pleasant FA at Dancehall in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. With 72 points, Montego Bay United are 5 points away from joining Mount Pleasant FA in the automatic semi-final places. Ironically, MBU will be seeking 3 of those points against Mount Pleasant in this important fixture. Rivaling MBU for that final spot are Arnett Gardens. The two have played 36 matches each, with Montego Bay United holding a 5-point advantage. MBU's remaining fixtures will see them up against Mount Pleasant away on Sunday, then at home to Cavalier next Sunday, before closing their regular season campaign away to Tivoli Gardens. Arnett Gardens, who are out of action until Monday, will have Vere United at home, then visit Waterhouse the following week, before closing out against Harbourview at home. According to MBU's coach, Paul Teagat Davis, with the current 5-point advantage, it means they are in control of their destiny going forward.
It's up to us, It's up to us to, I say, go out there on the day, perform. We just have to do what we have to do. You can't expect nobody to do for us, We have an aim and is to win the Premier League. So, when you have to win the Premier League, you have to play the big teams then. When you can play the big teams and get a good result, it's good for us, good for any team, so to speak.
The jostle for the 6th and final playoff spot is also on this Sunday, with Waterhouse on 52 points, Tivoli Gardens 51 and Racing United 48 all in action. Waterhouse, who are currently holding that spot, will travel to Ferdinita Park to face Portmore United in one of their 3 remaining matches. Their next games will see them up against Arnett Gardens and Dunbeholden. Tivoli will have 2 of the teams fighting relegation battle in Harbourview, who they host on Sunday, with games against Chapelton Maroons and Montego Bay United to come.
Tivoli is capable of doing this, and if you notice, they are presently the farm team of the round. And as long as they continue to work as seriously as a unit collectively, there's no doubt.
Racing United, who have lost 3 games on the trot, just cannot afford another defeat if they are to stay in the race. They will have Moulins United for company on Sunday at Drewsland, then Humberland the following week, with Portmore United being their final assignment. Elsewhere on Sunday, 12th placed Humberland, who sit above the relegation zone on goal difference, will play away to Dunbeholden, who are a point better in 11th position.